I want to put this 14-inch turbine on my metal roof. My metal roof has ridges and shapes. It's not flat like the bottom of that Whirlybird. That turbine needs to be made to fit leak-proof on my roof. Let's see how I can do it. Okay, here's a piece of my roof and Whirlybird vent on top. These are the plans. Ridge vent, adapter plate, turbine base. The ridge vent, push the water off of this base, and this base is going to push the water onto the roof. Ridge vent slides under the ridge vent, pushes the water away from it down the roof. These screw to 2x6s that are existing underneath there already. Water comes from ridge vent, pushed away, flashing, adapter, pushed onto turbine base, pushed onto the roof as gravity pulls it down. Screw it, seal it, secure it, cut the hole here. I'll try to keep y'all posted. The process continues, but I got this part figured out. This is screw down, hold down, and this is going to work excellent. I love you. La, 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 la.
To make my story short,
okay, up in the attic, I'm going to put 2 turbines. It means one at the 1/3 mark, marking it, putting a tie wrap at the 1/3 mark out to the outside where I can see it on the top of the roof. Okay, measured, and this is where my hole is going to fall out from the roof between the 2x6. It's going to shove underneath there, center line, and because water can fall here and go underneath, I've made an adapter that's going to fit above this. Once we know everything fits, we're going to start cutting our holes. And leveling the base. Call her instruction working already. Let's go see what it looks like in the attic. What it feels like, how everything is working, and what it looks like from underneath. Well, it's not sweaty. Excellent. Let's see what turbine number 2 looks like. Got to say, for being in the attic, it ain't terrible. Okay, these have been working since last week when we did the install. They haven't quit turning yet. The trick to a good install is good help. Thank you, my son. Another job tackled, another job conquered. You can put flat-based wind turbines made for shingled roofs, freeform the bottom and make them fit corrugated, ridged metal roofs with an adapter, all handmade, all entirely possible.